In this video we are going to do ICM meshing for the diffuser. So I have clicked the fluid flow fluent. In the geometry we have to do everything. You can able to see the ICM diffuser we have to do. For that we have to go for a design model. First we will reset everything and then we will go on to new design modeler. So right click, you can able to see the design model will be open. So this is one of the meshing process in ANSYS meshing tab. So first convert into millimeter and then go for sketching. Click on XY plane, make it normal, and we have to draw the line because we have to make a revolve. So first draw a vertical line in the left side and then draw a horizontal line. It should be having of around 100 to 200 mm based on our desired dimension. So after drawing the line, we have to give dimension for the particular line what we are drawing. So here click on the line and then give what is the required value, just to give 5 mm because the diameter is 10 mm in the inlet side. We will make a revolve later. So 100 mm is the length of the pipe, and then the another vertical height is around 10 mm because the total diameter is 20 mm in the outlet. So it's like a diffuser structure. So you can able to see everything. So this is a line, again we will draw. So everything is okay. Then we have to give revolve based on the desired application. So once we give the revolve, you can able to see. So now it's not coming because we have not enclosed the figure. So here some gap is there, you can able to see in the origin. So we have to draw, you have to delete it and draw it again. So this, if you are drawing a, you should not make any mistake over here. So first we will delete this option, delete this line, and we have to check whether the dimension, where the dimension we made a mistake. Again we will draw the line from the particular point where we have drawn. At the end point you can able to see, from that I am drawing a vertical line. So the remaining line we have to trim it. So go to modify and then go to trim and trim the remaining line that you can able to see. Okay, that's it. So we will make revolve for this enclosed figure. For that, first you have to select the sketch and select the line along the x-axis. So you can able to see the revolved figure, 3D figure. So this is the thing we have done in the, we have to do in the geometry. So next we have to connect it with the ICM, because the basic purpose of this video is to do ICM meshing for the diffuser. So diffuser we have done the design based on the given condition, 110 mm inlet and 20 mm in the outer. The total length 100 mm in the outer, sorry 10 mm in the inlet and 20 mm in the outlet. Total is 100 mm. So it will be open, it will take some time. So the ICM is one of the meshing process for better accuracy when compared to the other ones. So you can able to see the surfaces, everything. Once you use solid surface by right clicking, you can able to see. First you have to create the part. But click on the arrow mark. First, instead of part, you just type inlet and then give center button. In the mouse you have to click the middle button. You can able to see with the middle button, then it will be done. So if you give middle button, the inlet will be done, and then again you have to make a wall. Again typing wall, if you give apply, it will be done. So and then we have to give outlet. So left side we have given everything, and then click mouse again and then click it again and then give and then type outlet. After that give apply again. So you have done the basic naming for the given diffuser, what you have done so far, and then go for blocking. First you have to make a block. So outer block, first we will create the block. So give apply, you don't need to do anything for this. After creating the block, you can able to see the structure that has a outer block has been created in the boundary lines. It's like a cuboid structure. So next we will do the further process. By clicking the surface, you can able to see what is changing. So this is a circular section, inlet and outer, you can able to see. If we unclick the surface, deselect the surface, then go to split block. That split block, after going to split, before going to split block, you have to go to associations. So edit association, in that you have to give the second block and then click all the 4 lines, square like structure, and then click on the middle button, and then click circle, and then click middle button. So it will be associated. So the basic purpose is to we have to make association with the circle, so that the circle has been associated with the cuboidal figure. So after giving that, you just give the center button and then apply. After giving the project vertices, then O grid block, we have to give a O grid and click on the center button, and then give inlet and outlet the square like structure, and then click the middle button. After clicking the middle button, you can able to see the structure. It is looking like this for the diffuser. So and then we have to go for a pre-mesh params. In pre-mesh parameters, we have given a number of properties. So after giving pre-mesh params, just to give the third option, in that we have to give the number of nodes whatever it is required for us for this analysis. You can able to see the O grid structure. So in that inclined line, you just give whatever the nodes you want. I'm giving a 20, and then spacing you have to give 0.0001. So it's like a spacing for a better meshing process. We are giving for a meshing process, and then copy parameters to all the parallel edges. Once you give all the parallel edges, the 20 will be gone to everything, and then give apply. Again, we have to give 20, and then click apply after giving the copy parameters. And then for the horizontal side, you just give 200 based on our desired need. After giving 200, you can give apply. The mesh will be so. If you give pre-mesh, give yes, and the meshing has been done. So here the meshing has not been completed fully, so you have to do meshing in the vertical side. So we will give the number of nodes by clicking that line. Give 20 if you want. If you want to give 50 also, you can give. I'm just giving 20. Give apply. If you give apply, again we have to give the pre-mesh. If you give the pre-mesh again, we have to give yes again, and then you can able to see the mesh. This is a mesh of the diffuser ICM meshing of the diffuser. You can able to see in the front side, top side. This is a O grid structure. I'm just rotating O grid structure in the square like in the center, and all the vertical lines, all inclined lines in the outer four sides. So this is a meshing after giving the surfaces as solid. So after giving surfaces, you can able to see the meshing has been done for the diffuser. So this video is useful